on now.
Ooh. Yeah, boy, I'm right here. You been looking for me? Sorry I was gone. Is this Radio Ice locking me again? Coming to you from Wake Forest, North Carolina. This time you can see sun is bright. The sun is brightly shining. I'm outside. First, you're going to do 3 steps. How to control your defender when they're taller than you, bigger than you, and better than you. First, you're going to do a step where I like to call it the step back on pearl. Let's go. Place your foot right here. Bang. Bank it in. Cash your checks anywhere you go. Everywhere you go, cash your checks. Next one. I'm going to come over here. You're going to stare that man in his eyes. Like you did something to your mama now. I'm serious. Hit the floor in his face. That's how you do it. Last step, number 1. You're gonna shake and bake. You can bake a cake when you shake so much. Ooh, I'm everywhere, boy. I'm everywhere. I ate your mama grits. She gave it for me. I had your breakfast, boy. I had your breakfast. And then you gonna pump fake. Lay up. Let's go. That is the steps when they're bigger than you, better than you, just taller than you. That is Ice Lock Me. Again, ball is life. Remember that, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And let's go.